Liebherr refrigerator model CS1360 troubleshooting. Liebherr 24-inch counter-depth freestanding refrigerator with 13 cubic feet total capacity, 3.3 cubic feet freezer capacity, 4 glass shelves, crisper drawer, right hinge, automatic defrost, SAW. Troubleshooting. The food is frosting over. The appliance has a small plastic bung which comes in the accessory pack. Ensure that the bung is fitted in the drain hole in the base of the appliance. If not, warm air is drawn into the appliance on opening the door, which creates frosting. The appliance is not straight, the door is at an angle,